Okay, today is December 1st, 2013. Hope everybody had a nice, happy Thanksgiving. Let's take a look at Apple before the trading resume tomorrow. As you can see that Apple kind of tagged this 555, 554 area, on the last Friday, the day after Thanksgiving, the abbreviated trading session, and then just move right to and tag up at this, close to 558 before it came back down and closed at 556. So it went up to that 558 level. So definitely, that 555 was a target that we're monitoring, and it seems to went right to it with minor resistance. So I wouldn't be surprised that it might come back down and retest that 555, 554 level a little bit before it resume its upward trend toward the next target level. So you can see that as soon as it broke this 529, this pivot high here, and it just made its way up. So if we also look at the weekly chart here, here's this 555 level here that we're targeting initially. Now we basically looking at the possibility for it to come up to this 594 area here near this particular pivot. And if you could, if we go back and take a look at the daily, so you can see on the daily chart, it kind of came up and hit this 141 extension here on this particular Fibonacci retracement. And, essentially it's pretty close to this 555 pivot point. Right now we're looking at this 594 here. And if we use a slightly different Fibonacci retracement, if we go and use this fib here, maybe and you can see that, and this let me take this out here, then we can kind of see a little bit more clear. If you can see on this particular fib on the 161, you see this 595 as a target level here on one of the extension, which is right at this 594, 595 pivot high here. So the market might be looking at this particular fib swing here, and you can see that it's actually came down, went up, kind of tagged this 78.6 a little bit, and then it broke through. Okay, so right now it's coming up to tag this this 127, and like I said, don't be surprised that we might see a little bit of a pullback and come back and test that this particular level here, this 555, 554, before it's start making its way up, and then try to tag this 594 area. So that's basically what I'm monitoring on Apple here is essentially maybe a possible of a little minor pullback. Nothing to get excited or get worried about until it breaks some major support level. Right now, we're still basically looking at this 538, 539 as a support. On its way down, if it come down and test that, but I'm not gonna say it's gonna come down to that level yet. I'm more concerned about watching, or not necessarily concerned about. It's more of watchful at this 555, 554 level here for that possible retest of support. So anything could happen, but right now the Apple is still on a rising trend, so it's basically just trade it until it stops. So continue to trade what you see, and be cautious and be a little bit defensive, and make sure to use your stop, mental or physical. Have your stop set, and trade based on your trading plan. Good luck to you on your trading next week.